Jim DeSimone, civil rights attorney. Jim, I want to start with you. This practice that the prosecutor had of going through the actual verdict sheet, the actual law, it seems sort of painstaking, perhaps even boring, but it's very important at this stage of the trial in closings, isn't it?
It's very necessary because the jury has been in that courtroom with you these past 3 weeks as a trial lawyer. So they've heard all of the facts and the evidence that you had. So, of course, you want to discuss that evidence. But what they hadn't heard, what comes new that morning, fresh to them, is the law. The judge is reading them the law. They get it for the first time. The attorneys have been working with this for weeks to give them the law that should fairly reflect the law in Minnesota in terms of these charges. So you really want to take the jury through how applying the facts, the law in this case, leaves them with no choice but to give a guilty verdict. And I thought that the prosecution's first closing argument with Steve Schleicher was really masterful in that regard. Yeah, painstaking, but so necessary. And he laid it all out as to how they can find guilty on each and every count.